Hello my dear students, in the last video we studied about the prime factorization. Today we are going to discuss about the highest common factor. What do you mean by highest common factor? When you factorize two numbers, for example we will factorize 24 and 12. So other than 1 there are some factors that are common between the two, and these are called the common factors. And this highest common factor means the highest of all the factor is called the highest common factor. So let's study the common factor. What do you mean by common factor? When we compare the factor of two numbers, for example 24 and 16, we may come across certain numbers other than 1. So in 2 and 16 there are certain factors that are common between the two. What are they? They are 1, 2, 4 and 8. They are common between the two numbers and they are called the common factors. And for example we took a factor of 24 and 16. So factor of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, and the factor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So in between the two you can see the red ones are the common factors, and which is highest among those are called the highest common factor. So the highest common factor in this is 8. The highest common factor is also referred to as GCD, or the greatest common divisor. The method of determining the highest common factor is called the listing method. So this method is called the listing method, and I have made certain example for the listing method. So let's find out the HCF of 12 and 16 by the listing method. So factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3. So factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and the factor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So these are the factor of 12 and 16. And what is common in between the factor of 12 and 16? What is common? It is 1, 2, other than 1. It is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 are common between the two numbers, that is 12 and 16. So the highest common factor is 4. 4 is the highest of all, and so 4 is the highest common factor. So I have an example that is undone for you. So here you can see we have to find the HCF of 6 and 12. So what are the factor of 6? Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6, and the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What is common between the two? 1, 2, 3, 6. So these are common. So which is the highest of all? The highest of all is 6. So highest common factor is 6. Now we will find the highest common factor by the division method, and we will see here the same numbers are given and we have to find the highest common factor by using the division method. So find the HCF of 12 and 16 by division method. So 12 and 16 you have to place in one go. So you have the prime number should divide both the numbers. So 2 is the number. 2 if we will divide, if the dividend is 2, so the quotient will be 6, and if the dividend is 16, the quotient will be 8. Now we'll again divide by 2, the quotient will be 3 and 4. So after that the same number will not be able to divide 3 and 4, so we can leave it. And after that you can see that 2 is 2 and 2, that is 4. 2 into 2, 4 is common between the two numbers, and it is the highest common factor. So the highest common factor is 2 into 2, that is 4. Now the next example is we have to find the HCF of 6 and 12 by division method. So you have to take a number that divides both the numbers 6 and 12, that is 2. So 3 and 6. Again one number you have to take, that is 2. It will divide, now another number, that is 3, will divide, so it will be 1 and 2. So in this the highest common factor is 2 into 3, that is 6. So the HCF of 6 and 12 by division method, we found that the answer is 6. If you will see that in both the methods, the division and the listing method, the answer will be same. So in this way you are able to find the highest common factor of two numbers. So today we have learned to how to find the highest common factor of two given numbers. Thank you.